Mina no Nihongo Vocabs Lesson 16. Densha ni norimasu. Ride. Get on a train. Densha o orimasu. Get off a train. Densha ni norikaimasu. Change trains. Shawa o abimasu. Take a shower. Eremasu. Put in, insert. Dashimasu. Take out, withdraw. Daigako ni hirimasu. Enter university. Daigako o dimasu. Graduate from university. Kaisha o yamimasu. Quit, retire, stop, give up from a company. Oshimasu. Push, press. Wakai, young. Nagai, long. Mijikai, short. Akaroi, bright, light, colorful. Korai, dark. Sigatakai, tall person. Atamagai, clever, smart. Karada, body. Atama, head. Kami, hair. Kao, face. Me, eye. Mimi, ear. Kuchi, mouth. Ha, tooth. Onaka, stomach. Ashi, foot, leg. Hana, nose. Sabisu, service. Jogingu, jogging. Jogingu o shimasu, jog. Shawa, shower. Midori, green, greenery. Otera, Buddhist temple. Genja, Shinto shrine. Ryogakse, foreign student. Bang, number. Doyate, how, in what way. Dono, which. Iye, mada desu. No, I still have a long way to go. Ohike dashimasu ka? Are you making a withdrawal? Mazu, first of all. Cashew kadu, cash dispensing card. Anshubangu, pin. Tsugini, next, as a next step. Kingaku, amount of money. Kakonen, confirmation. Kakonen shimasu, confirm. Botan, button. JR, Japan Railway. Ajiya, Asia. Bandung, Bandung. Veracruz, Veracruz. Franken, Franken. Vietnam, Vietnam. Fui. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe Japanese Learning Hub. Mata ne!